So now when there are a number of activities in an application, now how does Android know which is the activity that is going to come, in the first basic place? So in case of a web application, we name that as index.php or we say index.html, and we can even fix up the name of the file that shows up as the first primary page of the, or what we say as a home page for the application. Now in case of an Android, we need to specify which is the activity that comes as a launcher or the starting activity for the application. So we just assign an intent filter for this. Now within the intent filter, we need to specify that this is an activity which has the main action. So any activity which has the action as main and category as launcher, now Android knows that is the activity to show in the beginning. So I'll just make this as a launcher. So this is as a launcher. So we have added an intent filter to the activity, which was primarily a simple activity, and now has become the main activity and is the launcher for this application. So we specified what is the starting activity for our application. So this is manifest file, contains everything related to the application. All activities find a mention here, all permissions, all SDKs you are targeting, all libraries that you are using for this application. Everything finds a mention in the Android.manifest file. So we'll just go through once again what we have seen in the app structure. We have a src folder, contains all the Java code that you write for the application. The generated folder that contains the r.java file and all files that it generates for supporting the application. Now these are all the library files that you need to have for developing the app. So this has Android 4.4.2, API 19 library, Android.jar, and these are the support libraries to support certain features that are added in later versions, but for having a backward compatibility, we need the support files. Now we'll see some of, as soon as we go ahead, where do we really need the support libraries. Now, assets we've seen has files that you don't need to access with the r.java format. You can directly access these files within the your application files. Now bin has, as soon as it has the APK file. Now what is the APK file? It is the application file that you need to download to your mobile to run the application. So as of now you can see the bin folder is completely blank. There's nothing in this bin folder. We'll just build up the application. We have activity, we have layout, we have the manifest file. So we have everything in place. Let's just build up the project. Yeah, so this is okay. So our emulator is ready. So let us get started, run this. So I'll just go my app, run as Android application. So just keep a focus on this bin folder. Yeah. So there we go. So as soon as you run the application, now it binds up all the files within the classes.dex file. All the class files plus the resources, they are all class files, they are into this dex classes.dex file into the dex format, and this is the .apk file which is loaded on the mobile. So when you run any application, the system compiles all the files. There's a tool called dx, already seen in a previous lecture. It collects all the classes to a single file called classes.dex, and along with the resources, and it packages the AAPT tools, it packages this into the .apk file. So this is what comes up on the emulator. The layout that we have assigned to the application, it shows up on the user's mobile. So this is how the first app works up. We've got charged up, and in coming lectures we'll be seeing more of this stuff. So I hope this clears up how activity all structure of an application goes.